Hello, everyone. It's KE7VLC Ryan here for the Mesa Amateur Radio Club, Whiskey Mike 7 Romeo Charlie. Just going to do basically an opening of a package. If everyone has taken a look at our website as of lately, you'll see that we have and I'll do a little screen share here in just a second. Here, let me grab our website back up. Our website has a Cafe Press, um, basically store where you can purchase Mesa Amateur Radio Club logoed items. It's it's a little on the expensive side, but the nice thing is the money actually part of the money actually comes to back to us. Um, uh, for club use and everything of that nature, help us offset some of our our yearly costs, our website and our domain costs, our mailbox and stuff, and so on and so forth. And so I wanted to take a little bit of time and share this with you. Um, Let me go over here. Okay, so now you'll see our website. Happy holidays. That's coming up here. We got Thanksgiving coming up. We already had Veterans Day, so to all those veterans out there, thank you for your service. And even the ones that are serving right now that are watching our videos, thank you for your service as well. Um, but tonight I was going to do just a short little video on our Cafe Press area here. So if you come up here to the Mesa Amateur Radio Club uh, website here, and then you scroll down, you'll see visit our swag shop right down here. Click on it, it comes over here to our Cafe Press um, shop. Now we got T-shirts. We do have a cute little teddy bear. We have a couple mugs, some pint glasses. We do have a clock. Um, a mouse pad if you're interested in that. It's kind of a nice little shop, and so what I wanted to do is I bought an item off of here, and I wanted to take you through a little bit of the process. It's actually not that difficult. You click on the item that you want, you choose um, the size, you go to the cart, and you put in your credit card information and everything. It took me about 2 weeks to actually get my item shipped to my house over here. Not bad at all. I think it's kind of a nice little feature that we have, a little way of for you to kind of donate to the club without actually donating. Um, I don't know the specifics as to how much we actually get from this, and we're still in the works of trying to figure that out. And as soon as Chad has all that information, I'll definitely pass it on to you. Anyways, feel free to scout around in here, and if you find something that you want, go right ahead and order it. It is it does cost a little bit on the shipping, but again, it helps out with the club's cost. So I wanted to do an unboxing of sorts tonight. Just kind of show you what the item looks like. When it arrives, it's gonna come in a little package like this, or maybe a box or something. Um, and so I'm just gonna go right ahead and break this open. Let's, let's just go right ahead and rip this open and see what we got. So I got the zipped up hoodie shirt. Now I haven't opened this up. I haven't looked at this or even tried it on, but here's what the sweatshirt looks like. I'll kind of lay it out here so you guys can all see and everything. It's got our logo up there. Nice little zipper. So we'll cut over to a camera of me, and we'll give it a try and see what it's like. Let's see here. There we go. So it's a standard Hanes sweatshirt. This is an extra large, so just for those of you who want to see what the size looks like. This is an extra large. Very nice shirt. I like it. Um, so let's see. It fits pretty nice. Looks nice. Looks decent. Um, I mean, it looks pretty nice and everything. I like it. It's got pockets and everything. Nice little zip up hoodie. So when I go camping, especially for winter field day, I'll be sporting it, especially during the daytime. Nighttime is a little different. We might have to break out the Arctic parkas or something. But I wanted to share that with you guys. Take a look at it a little more. Step back a little bit here, and it's not bad at all. It's got the Mesa Amateur Radio Club logo on there. It's nice. I mean, it's not like it's a peel on or a patch or anything like that. It's actually, they've done a really good job of, looks like silk screening it in there and everything. So I'm pretty happy with it. Not a bad item there. So if you're interested, and you want to help out the club a little bit, feel free to take a look around and see if there's you know, sweatshirt or a shirt that you would like, you know, or a mug. We might have to buy a couple of these mugs and maybe raffle them off or something like that, or maybe use them as an award for, you know, first contact or something like that. So I just thought I would at least share and let you guys take a look at it and see what you guys think. And if you have any comments, you know, go right ahead and comment down below. Please subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel, so that whenever we do an update or create a new video or come out with something new, you get notified of it. Also, please comment down below, see what you guys think. And as soon as I get more information as to how much we get back from it, I'll pass that along to you guys. Anyways, this is KE7VLC for the Mesa Amateur Radio Club, WM7RC. I'm going to sign out. 73, everyone.